The Changbai mountain in northeastern China is home to a peculiar species of duck. The male has an elongated feather on the back of the head. It looks like the large peacock feather attached to the headwear of the Qing dynasty officials. The dark scale patterns on its sides are similar to the auspicious clouds on the Beijing Olympic torch. This distinctive duck is the Chinese Merganser. Every April, the Chinese Merganser flies back from its southern wintering spots to breed along the Tudao River at the Changbai mountain, a lush and secluded area with clear waters and abundant food. In June, shortly after leaving the nest, the ducklings follow their mother's lead and start learning survival skills. They have to get ready for the autumn migration. The first skill to master is fish catching. The Chinese Merganser is a natural diver. When it hunts, it plunges its head underwater and observes. Once it locates its target, it dives in and launches an underwater pursuit. Its narrow and pointed beak is serrated and curved at the tip. Once caught by that beak, no prey can expect to escape. The females are caring mothers and stay vigilant even when sleeping. Apart from their natural predators, they have to fend off other Chinese Mergansers. Since the females occasionally snatch ducklings from other nests. In this battle of wardship, the loser has to leave with a sore heart. And the bereft ducklings will live with the winner and continue learning. During the ducklings' growth and learning, the fathers are largely absent. After mating, it is customary for the males to look for other water sources and leave the better living conditions for their beloved children. Only after the ducklings have learned to fend for themselves will the fathers return and join their families. Together they will fly to the warmer south and wait for the next spring. Vigilance, agility, and ferocity of the Chinese Mergansers have helped them survive for more than 10 million years. Not only they are the world's oldest ducks, they are also an endangered species, dubbed the giant panda among birds. Since they only live in habitats that are undisturbed by humans and free of pollutants, their presence has become an indication of the ecological excellence of a water body. The great environment of the Changbai mountain has made it an ideal habitat for the Chinese Merganser.